ISHRAE, Indian Society of Heating, Refrigerating and Air Conditioning Engineers. Founded in 1981 at New Delhi, by a group of eminent HVAC&R professionals. ISHRAE now has a total of 41 chapters and sub-chapters.
ISHRAE gives you the latest industry insights of the HVAC&R and building industry and delivers latest technologies in forms of technical blogs, videos, and articles to people. It has more than 14,000 members and about more than 10,000 student members. ISHRAE releases various standards for HVAC and our building industry time to time. It organizes more than 800 events every year, including seminars, conferences, product presentation and more. ISHRAE also provides handbooks and guidelines. ISHRAE also has student chapters in more than 150 engineering colleges, to encourage students, and let them know about HVAC and our industry. Visit now, ishrae.in, for more details.